Move.
Oh. Sa final round ng inyong weekly task na challenge me, hinahamon ko ang inyong pagiging artistic galing sa pananamit at teamwork. Sa laban ninyong Clash of the Rampa, kayo ay magpapaligsahan sa pagbuo ng isang fashion show. Tatlong ang magiging collections ng inyong fashion show. The first one is Von Dutch Streetwear. Bibigayan ko kayo ng Von Dutch clothes na maaari niyong ijaza para makagawa ng damit sa streetwear ang dating. The second one, wedding. Bibigayan ko kayo ng mga damit na pang groom at bride pati na rin ang entourage. The third is around the world. Bibigayan ko kayo ng mga damit na magpapakita ng costumes sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Mayroon kayong isaktong oras para sa lahat ng inyong collection. Matapos ang isang collection, limitados lang ang oras ninyo para makabihis dahil maririnig ninyo agad ng ang music para sa susunod ng collection. Kayong lahat ay dapat makita ko sa pagrampa sa catwalk. Good luck, stand tall and strike a pose, housemates. Big brother. So the twist, there's a twist. The twist of the wedding is the guys will sadly dress in dresses.
Yeah.
And the girls will dress in tuxedos.
Oh my
So-
god.
I was like expecting, like, oh my god, they got a wedding dress and all. The girls
The
will be.
girls will wear
So,
the girls will wear suits
Take one from
or
the same
tux like that, and the guys will wear
Dude, you
dresses,
look like you-
wedding dresses.
you'd
Hey,
make a good
guys.
girl.
Oh.
How about the streetwear?
I hate you so much.
It's
Streetwear.
okay. Even you, yeah.
In dress lang.
you.
Not dress.
Yeah,
Only
okay,
the
all
only
of us, all
the only
of
the
us.
eyebrows.
Big nose.